Assalamualaikum children. Hello, how are you all? Good morning. Welcome back to our online class. Today is 27 January 2021 Wednesday. Let's start our online class. We'll do the lesson Fortune Favors the Brave. We have started, isn't it? The boy is scared. He sleeps, small boy, 5th grade boy, isn't it? He always sleeps with his granny. But reading the newspaper and about bravery stories, father says him to sleep alone, isn't it? What he do is very good. Smart boy. That night only, luck favors him. Fortune favors the brave. Fortune means luck. Favor, positive side. Happy for brave person. Okay, that night only, a robber comes and he catches a robber, and his parents are very happy and proud of his courage. Now we will see what happens next in the lesson. Three part meanings, hard words. Crossly, a little angrily. Scowl, angry look or expression. Porch, a covered entrance to a building or a veranda. Sternly, seriously and strictly. Disgraceful, very bad, shameful. Tiptoed, walked quietly on the tips of his toes. Curled, drew up his legs close to the body and curved his body back. Snoring, breathing roughly and noisily. While sleeping, stirred, moved slightly. Groaned, made a deep sand sound. Pleaded, requested. Scorpions, small creatures with a poisonous sting in the long tail. Note it down, children, learn it. Laughing stock, someone or something which seems stupid. Tumbling, feeling helplessly. Falling helplessly. Scout, one who is trained in doing acts of public service. Notorious, well known for some bad quality or act. Faint, likely to lose consciousness. Crouched, bent the knees close to the body in fear. Encased, covered himself completely. Crawled, moved slowly, keeping the body. Option to make the sentence true, isn't it? Swami was almost faint with fear because from the 4 ABCD the answer is C1. A ghost entered his room. Why he was feared? Isn't it? He was afraid to sleep alone. Small boy, Swami. Second one, Swami clutched, hold it, caught tightly. Clutched means the leg of his father, mother, chair or a thief. He clutched the leg of a thief tightly. He hold it in his deep sleep, isn't it? According to the lesson, if you have listened it properly, you will understand this too. Tick the correct answer to make the sentence true. Next is the vocabulary part, children. Pick out the synonyms from the story for each of the following words. Synonyms means meaning. Okay, when we always small, the meaning. What is the meaning of this word? We tell. Now you are grown up, so you should know that synonym meanings and antonyms are opposites. I will not explain again and again. Remember it. Synonym means meaning. Clear? First one. Understandable. Second one, bravery, courage. Third one, shameful, disgraceful. Fourth one, hide, bury. Fifth one, upset, troubled. Sixth one, argued, debate. Seventh one, swore, vowed. Eighth one, unpleasant, horrible. Ninth one, trapped, tabbed, drawn. 10th one, damage, injury. Learn all the 10 synonyms, children. Conversation given below and fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the box. The answers are in the box. Think and write it. It is in our reader. Ruchira, I don't know why the teacher hesitated to give his mobile number. Suhas, he might be worried that you would disturb him with your phone calls. Ruchira, I have great respect for him. Respect, the underlined word is in red and it is underlined, isn't it? This is paragraph from our reader. I will never behave in a disgraceful manner. Suhas, I am afraid of that. Our teacher will not give his number. Ruchira, I don't know. I don't think our teacher is courageous, but he says everything sternly. Once he gave me a wonderful gift, so I am always grateful to him. Now this is the clues given. Children, read the clues given below to complete the word ladder. First one, Sandhya said clearly, C-L-E-A-R-L-Y, clearly, that she hated him. Sridhar is dash boy of 10 years, young, Y-O-U-N-G, young. Clear? Say third one, it's in our reader. Jyoti used to sleep beside her granny, G-R-A-N-N-Y, granny. Y comes down. Crossword, I think you all can see in the newspaper. If you all play it, you'll be able to understand it easily. The garden is full of dash colored flowers. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow colored flowers. I met my father Kumar on my W-A-Y, way to home. Got it? Match the parts under A to make some proverbs. You can use these clues given within the bracket. The first one is done for you. An apple a day. Search for the profession. An apple a day. First answer is given for you. D1. Keeps the doctor away. These are proverbs. Every day we write on the teachers write on the blackboard, isn't it? Heading top every day we have to change it. We must learn it and we must try to understand the proverbs. They are correct, proved, truthful proverbs. A friend in need, say, is a friend indeed. A. Match the correct one. Failure is E, the stepping stone to success. A stitch in time saves 9. The pen is mightier than sword. Empty vessels make much noise. Got it? Little drop of water may. F. Little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. Honesty, it ends with CY. Honesty is the best policy. Make hay, search for a star. Make hay while the sun shines. Barking dogs, search for what dogs do. Barking dogs seldom bite. Part. Read the following paragraphs and fill in the blanks with simple past or past continuous forms. While Swami's father was reading the newspaper, Swami was listening to it. His father asked him to sleep alone, but he was afraid. B we cannot write, but he was be afraid. Doesn't suit there, isn't it? Simple past or past continuous, children. But he was afraid of the ghost. He wanted to sleep in his grandmother's room. While he slept, he had a terrible dream. A tiger chased him and he tried to escape. T-R-I-E-D, not T-R-Y. Now we will finish the today's class with the homework for today. First one, give the synonyms of the word hide and soar. Second one, fill in the blanks. Failure is a dash of success. Success. The answers are in the slides only, right? Understood? Send me the homeworks by evening 5:30. Okay, children. See you in next class. Assalamu alaikum.